Okay, so the keyboard has arrived for the Dell. We're going to replace the keyboard. One has the LED backlight for the keyboard, and also the middle button. Doesn't look new, looks used from AliExpress, that is. Light pen there, no problem. Looks like there is 4 screws on the back, and we got 4 at the top. This one we bought from a private seller. We formatted it, got it going, got minor issue with the keyboard. So let's put the keyboard in, and then we can sell this laptop. So if the keyboard, there's a little indicator K for keyboard. Here we go, K. Like P for palm rest maybe. Maybe we may need to remove that, I'm not sure yet. Another K here. 2K, we're looking for 4K, so P, P, any more K. We can look at the orientation of the keyboard. So we've taken that out. Looks like nothing will go there. And we've taken that out. Maybe one under the RAM, which I doubt. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so that's only ones we need to remove. Have a look on the other side. I remember this little guy just pops out. Just like that, without breaking it. Okay, done. That's removed. And yeah, we can see the screws. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. No, only 3. Okay. Unless we're missing another screw. P, 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 K. Yeah, I don't see any other screw. Is there something holding it back? Oh, I see. Okay, my bad. These guys have to come out this way. Okay, there we go. I guess it will help to remove the 2 little buttons here. Give you more room to access it. Okay. And just remove that too. There we go. So we'll need to put that back later. All right, done. We'll put the keyboard first, and then we'll put the other part. Okay. Just want to see if this guy fits properly before we do the full installation. Have a look on the other side. Yep, they're all here. So one by one. There we go. And then the buttons, just like that. Okay, pretty much done. These are for the keyboard. Let's see if this thing works. We'll plug in the battery. Before, the keys were a bit fiddly, like you can't press properly. A weird feeling to them. This one feels a bit more sturdy. We'll find out when we're typing. Oh yeah, that's the chart. Richest man in Babylon. Yeah, beautiful. Caps lock is working, trackpad is working, and the buttons here are not working. These guys are not working. Sure if I did hook it up. So what we'll do, we'll shut it down. Okay. Yes, we haven't connected it. Yeah, we should be fine. So what we're gonna do, put this guy back. Yeah, the guy created an Outlook account just for this purpose. Crazy. Just for selling the laptop. So he thought we needed a Microsoft account. He realized he can't get through the setup activation because he had the internet connected while attempting to activate or turn the Windows 10 on. Wait a little bit for the chemical reaction to kick in. Okay, here we go. And put the frame around there too. Okay, if that works, and press the button there. Yeah, it works. Yeah, beautiful. So this will go to a new owner. Yeah, I've used this guy for data recovery. And this laptop only costs 50 bucks. I cannot believe it. Fantastic. And okay. All right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.